Good morning. Well, this is a fishing video. We're about to load the boat up and go fishing and shoot a video. But I come out here to check on the girls, as I do every morning. And we got another intruder. Again, chicken coop and a possum. Another possum. Y'all see that? Alright. Well, we're gonna let this one go. Maybe we'll catch him again.
Made it on the water. We got some current today though. It's a little bit lower this time. I got one that just follows from right there too. I might do a jerk bait. There's a school of them going right through there.
Let's go.
No, not even recording.
That one's recording.
That one is? Well, I'm recording now. There it is. There we go. Fish number 3. Oh, I just had another hit. Look how fat that is.
Little chunky monkey.
Fat. Look how fat. Thank you, buddy. We would like to thank our sponsor for today's video. You've seen us use their coolers, their backpacks during hunting, Dry Pocket Apparel. Now I have a pair of shorts and they are very comfortable, very spacious. They hold in my keys, my phone, and when you're in the water fishing or if you're bank fishing and you get super hot, sometimes you fall off the boat or you just want to take a dip and you're worried about all your stuff getting wet. Today's cars, you got key fobs, they got batteries, so you want to keep all your electronics dry, right? Well, if you zoom in, Dry Pocket has the dry fit pocket, waterproof, and it fits your phone, your keys, and it seals just like that. So check out Dry Pocket. Look, easy access. You ready? You got the magnet, you just fold it, pull the tabs, and it's lined. It's all magnetized. So for all you creek fishermen, they have pants, they have just regular dry fit shorts, they have swim trunks. Go check them out. Thank you, Dry Pocket, for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get back to fishing. Oh, he's fighting now. He's fighting now. I just said there should be something right through here. Number 5. He got a little bit bigger. you go. Thank you, buddy. Smells fishy. Let me tell y'all something for the record. I told my wife when we come through here, I said, that looks pretty fishy right there. There's like a little bank, pretty deep. I want to tell y'all what she did to me. What'd you do to me, babe?
She right on up.
She paddled right on over it. Sure did. She wouldn't even, I got my fishing line or my fishing poles out, and I got up to the boat, and I'm like, where's my spot at? Look at that. Right in that current.
Come on.
Did you throw it right in the current?
Yeah.
I know. So I turned the camera off. We just pulled up. I turned it off, and I about hit that big rock. And I was like, oh my goodness. We're kind of stuck in this current right here by this rock. It's fast moving, ain't it, babe? Oh, there's another rock. It's super low today. We was trying to get up here by these docks, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Oh, he let go. There was two of them. Oh my goodness.
Oh, got one.
There you go. Get it on in here. Oh, look at them. There's a school of them. Look at them. There's a school of them. That's what I had.
Oh, gosh.
That's all right.
Hold on, buddy.
I got that one on camera.
There he is.
There you go. There was a school of them, wasn't there? That's 6 on the boat today, right?
Yeah.
Should have been 7. I lost that one. He was a good one too.
You got one?
Yep. Oh. Oh, he hit that so hard. I didn't even need the pliers. Like he was down, it was down there. Oh, I just went back to that same spot. Here we go. And, anyway, I grabbed. Oh, there you go. There's another one. That's a bass. I'll take that. That's a bass. Good job. Hold on, buddy. He wasn't coming off. Got him in the bottom lip, top lip. There we go. Oh, he took sideways. Look at. Huh?
I don't know what's going on with this camera.
Look, y'all. We thought that camera was on, and we're having issues with that one. I was fighting this one, and I thought he was a stud. Now, granted, she is a chunky monkey. I mean, chunky monkey. Look at that.
She is.
But she's hooked sideways and fighting current, so we missed that fish. Anyway, we was having a problem with that GoPro, but anyway. That's what, number 9?
I think so.
Look at that. Man, I thought that was a tank. Another one. Chunky monkey. Mwah. Whatever it was a good one. Probably a spot or a smallmouth.
Might have been musky.
I think that might have been what broke my lure out of that one. There's two of them in there. I don't know if I'm recording.
I think I am.
God almighty.
That's a big one.
Son. See if I can get my thumb in there, get him off. Oh my goodness, he was a fighter. Big one. That's a big one. Oh. He didn't want to, he's camera shy. He didn't want to kiss the camera. Thank you, buddy, for playing. There we go. Yep, he's on. He's small. Huh? Did you just have one too? We almost doubled it. Look how small he is. Look how I caught him. It's alright though. You know what that is? Number 11. It's a fish, that's what that is. Little baby bass. My lure was bigger than he was. Oh, little baby. Yeah.
Aww.
They feel big and you see them and they realize that they're small. That's the reason why they're hooked sideways. Hold on, buddy. When they're hooked sideways, boy, they feel like they're big, big. Oh well, number 11 or 12 or something. There you go, keep it tight. Good job. Y'all, we done caught another fish. And wait till you see the monster that she has caught with this jerk bait.
I say we take it home.
Take it home. Let Tank eat. Put it in the tank with Tank.
Well, I don't have a friend.
Y'all look at this fish. I'm gonna let her show you her monster.
I don't know if I can get it. Oh my gosh!
You might not be able to pick him up.
Oh, you're so small. Oh!
Pick him up.
Here it is.
Oh, monster. Have a good one. Oh. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
How in the world?
I don't think you can get that, babe.
I have to drive around and for a second. Where did it go? Like I thought it was right here. On this, because I am. Watch it right there. Oh, I got this. You should have been recording from down there.
Babe, I'm holding it up.
Look how far up I am. Now I gotta get down. Hey.
You got it.
Got it though, didn't I?
Good job.
Alright y'all, I want to show y'all something real quick. See all that dirt? All this dirt? Look at all that dirt. Mama was driving.
No, I
I was
wasn't.
sitting right here. Look.
No, I wasn't.
Anyway, we're gonna wrap this video up. Wasn't a bad day. It was tough because you can't get back in the creeks right now because it's so low. So it was like, I'm talking about like less than a foot deep. So we wasn't able to get back where we wanted to go, but we ended up making a good day. We caught, I don't even know how many we caught. Y'all comment below, tell us how many we caught. I'm gonna say 15. What do you say? Maybe 12.
Yeah.
I don't know. But it was a good day regardless. And y'all don't forget to check out Dry Pocket. Put the link in the description. Did I say it right?
Yeah,
I did.
you did.
We'll put the link in the description. Y'all check out their website, see what they got. They got some really cool stuff. Again, these shorts super comfortable. You can breathe, keep your stuff dry. I absolutely enjoyed them. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Share it with all your friends. Like it. Be sure to comment. And if you're watching and you ain't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It don't cost nothing. Anyway, be blessed, stay blessed, and if you are blessed,
Bless others.
bless others. Jesus loves you.
So do we.